Planning a trip to Korea and wondering how to handle basic conversations once you get there? Maybe you want to ask for help or directions, order something at a cafe, call a server, apologize politely, or just avoid freezing during simple interactions. In this 7-day Korean travel series, we'll focus on practical Korean you can actually use while traveling in Korea. Not a textbook Korean, not complicated grammar, just useful expressions, cultural tips, and real-life situations that can help make your trip smoother and less stressful. And don't worry, you do not need perfect Korean to communicate. Even knowing a few simple phrases can make a huge difference. Today is day 1, and we're starting with the basics. Greetings, politeness, and getting someone's attention politely in Korea. These are the phrases you'll use constantly in cafes, restaurants, stores, hotels, and on the street. Let's start with some of the most important words and expressions you'll need. Greetings. 안녕하세요. Hello. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye to someone leaving. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye when you're leaving. Politeness. 감사합니다. Thank you. 죄송합니다. I'm sorry. Excuse me. 괜찮아요. It's okay. Getting attention. 저기요. Excuse me. 여기요. Over here. Excuse me. For simple responses. 네. Yes. 아니요. No. Now, here are some tips about how to use these expressions in everyday situations. Greeting someone. 안녕하세요. Hello. You'll use this when you are entering stores, meeting people, talking to staff, almost everywhere. In Korea, a small bow or nod while saying 안녕하세요 feels polite and natural. It does not need to be a deep, formal bow. Just a slight nod of the head and shoulders is enough. Saying 안녕하세요 first often makes interactions much smoother. Even if your Korean is limited, people usually try to be helpful. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye to someone leaving. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye when you are leaving. Don't stress too much about mixing up the two goodbye expressions. Many beginner learners confuse them at first. Even a small bow and a polite 감사합니다 when leaving can still come across warm and respectful. Getting someone's attention. 저기요. Excuse me. 여기요. Over here. Excuse me. 저기요 is commonly used when calling someone from a distance, getting a server's attention, or approaching someone for help. For example, 저기요. Excuse me. 여기요 is commonly used when calling a server to your table, saying over here, or letting someone know where you are. For example, 여기요. Over here, please. In Korean restaurants, both expressions are very commonly used in everyday situations. Saying thank you. 감사합니다. Thank you. Koreans use this frequently in even small interactions to convey polite appreciation. Saying sorry. 죄송합니다. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Use this when bumping into someone, interrupting, asking for help, after making mistakes. Think of this as, oops, sorry. Even these simple responses help conversations feel smoother. You really don't need many words. Now, let's look at different ways people could respond if and when you use these expressions in real situations. What you may hear as responses when you say 안녕하세요. You might hear 안녕하세요. Hello. 네, 안녕하세요. Yes, hello. Usually, people will greet you back automatically. When you say 저기요, you might hear 네, yes, 잠시만요. One moment, please. 왜요? What is it? When you say 감사합니다, you might hear 네, yes, okay. 괜찮아요. It's okay. 아니에요. No problem. You do not need a long response. Just smile or say 네 or 아니에요. When you say 죄송합니다, you might hear 괜찮아요. It's okay. 아니에요. 괜찮아요. No, it's okay. Usually, this means don't worry about it. When someone doesn't know how to respond to you, you might hear 잘 모르겠어요. I'm not sure. 몰라요. I don't know. In this case, you don't need to force the conversation. Just politely end it and ask someone else. Now let's put everything together into real situations. Entering a store. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Even a simple greeting and small nod can make interactions feel warmer and more respectful. Getting a server's attention. 저기요. Excuse me. 네? Yes? 물 주세요. Water, please. 네. Yes. If they don't hear you. Sometimes restaurants are noisy. Raise your hand slightly. Say 저기요 again. accidentally bumping into someone. 죄송합니다. 괜찮아요. 감사합니다. You can also try a small nod or bow as you say 죄송합니다. Asking someone for help. 저기요. Excuse me. 화장실 어디예요? Where is the restroom? 저기요. Over there. 감사합니다. Thank you. A quick note. While 저기요 can be used to get someone's attention, similar to excuse me, it literally means over there. If they don't know, 잘 모르겠어요. I don't really know. In this case, you can politely end the interaction. You can say, 네, 감사합니다. Yes, thank you. Then ask someone else. When you don't understand, like when locals speaking Korean fast. In this case, you can say, 천천히 말씀해 주세요. Please speak slowly. When they talk fast, you do not need to understand everything. Just stay calm and listen for one word, one clue, or gestures. Now, let's review. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 죄송합니다. 저기요. 네. 아니요. Great job today! You learned some of the most important Korean expressions for first interactions. How to greet people, get someone's attention politely, say thank you, and apologize. Even simple phrases like these can make traveling in Korea feel much smoother and less stressful. Remember, you do not need perfect Korean. Small efforts and polite communication go a long way. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to like and subscribe. And come hang out in Korean again soon.